I got some eggs right here. Yeah. Nice large eggs. I'm hoping.
All right, on your mark. Get set. Toss! Sorry, Billy. That was third place. John, got him! Nice throw. You got the rocket. Well, we got second, John. We got second.
Come on, keep going. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on.
Tie. Win. It's the win.
Oh, no. Nice. Go. Take a step back. Go.
Wow.
Come on. Set the record. Let's go.
All
Nice.
those people that just keep going to show off.
Nice throw. Nice.
No, wait, no.
The win now. Oh, wait. Nice.
Oh, my God. Wrote this one.
I died.
All right, let's go get some trophies. Well, it pains me significantly. I didn't really hope to be in a better situation.
Just the fact that there was chocolate in there, I kind of knew he was good.
Wow, look at that.
Good job, boys. Good job.
Nice job, guys.
Good job, boys.
And
Oh, we get second. Thank you.
second place. Who got third? Who got third place?
Juan. Yeah, Josh, we lost like in 30 seconds.
Yeah, next year
Very nice.
I'm getting it. Awesome, guys. Thank you for blowing my heart. I just want to know that my kids aren't getting any of this candy.
There was chocolate in there, I kind of knew he was good.
Wow, look at that.
Good job, boys. Good job.